Hey guys, today we are going to see how we define variables in TensorFlow. First install the TensorFlow, which you would have already done. If you not, just type pip install TensorFlow. Then if you are running in Google Colab or any other notebook, you should write this, or else you're fine. If you are doing it in any IDE, then import TensorFlow as TF, and then this is how you define variables. So if you want to define a TensorFlow variable, write number is equal to TF variable, the value, and what type of variable it is. So these data types are available here. So whichever data type you want, just use that. Like here I want tf.string, then tf.variable, first define a variable, then the value of the variable, and then the data type. In the same case, floating is equal to tf.variable, the value of the variable, and the data type, and then run. And as you can see, you will get the whole detailed value of the variable. And this is how you define variables in TensorFlow. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Do comment your questions or any doubts in the comment section below the like button, and keep watching, stay curious, keep coding.